What's next? Are we really prepared for tomorrow? How can we create impact and ensure the existence of a world we all want to live in? At the Impact Festival, we strive for the answers. Experts, decision makers, and innovators, they all shape ideas for sustainability and transformation. With fun and passion, we all come together to make a change.
2 days entirely packed with great conversations.
Lots of exchange.
Inspiring persons.
Impressive speakers.
You get a lot of information in short time, new ideas.
We need to collaborate. That's the key thing.
What's most important is to get started, not hesitate.
We can create the best possible world.
Real change won't come overnight, but together we can have an impact. Let's cut the bullshit and accelerate sustainable transformation.